Welcome in the Department of English once again. In this video, we are going to study about the language topic that is known as discrepancy between English spelling and pronunciation. Now, here is the lesson plan for you. The steps we are going to learn this topic. Number one is spelling and pronunciation. What is spelling, what is pronunciation, what is their relations. Now second is the same letter, how pronounced differently, and the third is how different letters pronounce in same way. So in these three steps we are going to study this topic. Now I come to the first topic, that is English spelling and pronunciation. First of all, what is spelling? Spelling means nothing else but the arrangement of letters in a word, while pronunciation is the method of articulation a particular word. So this is the main difference. The second difference is that spelling helps us to understand what is written, while the pronunciation of the word is help to understand us what is spoken. The third difference between the spelling and pronunciation is that spelling is important in writing skills as well as reading skills, while pronunciation is very important in the speaking as well as the listening skills. The next difference is that wrong spelling leads to wrong understanding in written text, while in pronunciation, wrong pronunciation leads to ambiguity in understanding what is spoken. The next difference is that spelling is concerned about the letters used in a word, while the pronunciation is concerned with the stress, intonation of the words in a sentence. The next difference is that is a wrong spelling looks very awkward, while the wrong pronunciation is awkward to listen. And the next difference between the spelling and the pronunciation is that spelling can be practiced by just writing. If we practice very well, we can improve this spelling skill to write correct spelling of the word, while the pronunciation can be practiced by the listening as well as speaking of the particular language. Now, listening, speaking, reading and writing, these are the four basic skills of learning a new language. As far as English is concerned, it is usually said that English spelling is a not reliable guide to its pronunciation. Take the example. For example, here PUT put, but BUT but. It is not but. So here the letter U is common in these words, but the pronunciation is different. PUT put, BUT but. So I say that English spelling is not a reliable guide to its pronunciation. And so, study of English pronunciation is quite confusing. It is just like a challenge for the new learners, especially for the foreign learners whose mother tongue is not English. Why this happen? Because there are number of examples we are going to study in this video. That why this happen? Because there is a lack of one-to-one equation between spelling and pronunciation. In short, we can say that in English there are 44 sounds, but there are only 26 letters. So 26 letters and 44 sounds. There is no one-to-one equation, we can say. This scarcity of the alphabets, scarcity of the letters makes English pronunciation more and more difficult or challenge. Now, when you watch the television, you also noticed number of things. For example, sometimes R is pronounced, sometimes R is not pronounced. So, sometimes THE is known as the, is pronounced as the, sometimes the same spelling is pronounced as the. So it makes us confusion. Again, sometimes the O sound is pronounced as A or O or E, and that is why I say that to learn English pronunciation is a challenging task. At the same time, when we say English is window of the world, or in number of European countries, English is their native language. While some of the countries, they adopted English as their second language. While in India, in some of the states, English is known as L3 or the third language. So there are majority of the speakers of English. So naturally, there are different varieties of English. The most familiar with you, that is British English or American English, or sometimes we use the word Indian English. I'd like to give you example. For example, in British English, CANT is pronounced as can't. But in American English, the pronunciation of the word is can't and not can't. Or FAST, fast. In British English, the word is pronounced as fast. But in American English, the same word is pronounced as fast. Or the another example is MASK. In British English, MASK is pronounced as mask. But in American English, the same word is pronounced as mask. MASK. The another example is PLANT. In British English, the word is pronounced as plant. But in American English, the same word is pronounced as plant. Sometimes some letters are unpronounced or silent. For example, in kernel, if you see the spelling COLONEL, N-A-L. So, but there is no R later. Still, sometimes some people say kernel, they pronounce R. Again, there are the varieties of pronouncing the sound R. It is pronounced as R and R, like this. That is why to learn the correct pronunciation, the right pronunciation is very important one. Sometimes some sounds are known as lateral sound. What is lateral sound? That is, they are not completely uttered. For example, L-I-T-T-L-A. L at the initial position and L at the final position. L-I-T-T-L-E. So, final R is not pronounced. For example, little, little, cattle, bottle. So, L here is known as the lateral sound. Sometimes some words are pronounced with the silent, which we are going to study it later on. Now here, up to this video, I covered the first point, that is what is the difference between the English spelling and in English pronunciation, and we jump to the conclusion that English spelling is not a reliable guide of its pronunciation. So the first point is over. Now the next we are going to study, that is how the same letter has different pronunciation. Means letter is same, but the pronunciation of the letter is different. And the first we are going to take the example, that is pronunciation of or letter A. So letter A is pronounced in 7 different ways in English. That is why I say to learn English pronunciation is a challenge. It is a difficult task. Sometimes it becomes confusion to the non-native speaker. So I'd like to take the first example, how letter A is pronounced differently. And the first one is, A is pronounced as This is symbol. Okay, we are going to study about this symbol in the next lecture. So don't be bothered about. Just this is the introduction, we say. This is sound. This is letter, and this is sound. Letter is A, sound is For example, woman, woman. Here you see the word A, letter is A, but the pronunciation is woman, woman, is pronounced. Or in the word ago, we usually say ago, but the correct pronunciation is ago, alive, or alone, pillar, slogan, agree, ahead. In all of these words, A is pronounced as A. Now, the same letter is pronounced, how it is pronounced differently, I'd like to give example. So, we have seen letter A is letter A is pronounced as A. So this is A. This is A. Okay. Now take another example. This is again in the following examples. Letter A is pronounced as A. For example, pat. So here the spelling is A, but the pronunciation is A. In the first example that is here the same letter A is pronounced as A. In the second example, A is pronounced as A. For example, fat, cat, bat, battle, can, dam, flat, pan, sad. In all of these examples, letter A is pronounced as A. Now the next is, that is A is sometimes pronounced as A. So the letter remains the same, A, but how it is pronounced, this is the symbol A. This is known as IPA symbol, that is International Phonetic Alphabet symbol. Okay, so this is A. Now see, in this word last, the spelling is same. L, A, S, T. Means A is pronounced as A. I would like to give you another example. For example, ask, 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 or bard, car, far, grass, harp, mask, shark, tar, fast, fast. In all of these examples, letter A is pronounced as A. Now, the same letter is sometimes pronounced as A. So, this is an example. Again, this is the IPA symbol, that is A. For example, what? Here you see the spelling A is there, letter A is there, but what is the pronunciation of this word? What? What? So here A letter is pronounced as A. Or in another example, halt, 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 swat, van, or wash. Here in these examples, letter A is pronounced as A. Now the same letter is pronounced as A. So this is A. So A is sometimes pronounced as A. For example, water, water, all, ball, call, fall, mall, tall, halt. So in all of these example, letter A is pronounced as A. Now sometimes the same letter is pronounced as E. So letter is same, but the pronunciation is different. For example, we usually pronounce this word wrong. We usually say village, but it is not village. The correct pronunciation of this word is village. Village. So here A is pronounced as E. In another example, average. We say average, but the correct pronunciation of this word is average. Cabbage, garbage, image, marriage. So in all of these example, A is pronounced as E. We are going to see how A is pronounced as A. So here, for example, in the word, just we pronounce it as late. Okay, but the correct pronunciation of this word is late. Late means here A is pronounced as A. So this is A-E. A-E. Or gate. The correct pronunciation of the word is gate and not gate. Or baby, not baby. Or page, P-A-G-E. It is not page, it is page. So in this second part, there are number of words how they are pronounced differently. I have taken here the example of A. Now you understand how it is different. There are another letters even also. For example, take the example of the letter E. Here, E also can be pronounced differently. For example, E can be pronounced as A. This is a IPA symbol. It is A. Okay. The spelling is E, but when we put the E in diagonal lines, it is pronunciation. E. And all of the standard dictionaries have these phonetic transcriptions. Okay. So if you open ALD dictionary, for example, or Oxford dictionary, Advanced Learners Dictionary, you find the transcription is given there, and this transcription is based on the IPA symbols. So this is letter E, but it is pronounced as A. So take the example of bed. Here this is B, A and D. Means here letter E is pronounced as A. In another example, bag, sail, desk, dress, help, rent, leg, send. Here in this example, letter E is pronounced as A, but the same letter can be pronounced as A. So sometimes letter E is pronounced as A. For example, barrel, baron, ladder, miller, rubber, R-U-B-B-E-R. So E is pronounced as A. Rubber, tanker. So you see here, how spelling E is pronounced differently. Sometimes this E, letter E is pronounced as E. So this is the IPS symbol E. For example, we generally pronounce this word as finale, but actually the right or correct pronunciation of this word is finale. Okay, so here the last E is pronounced as E in finale, recipe, simile. So here letter E is pronounced as E. The same letter can be pronounced as ear. So this is IPS symbol, ear. For example, atmosphere, atmosphere. Here E is pronounced as ear, or mere, M-E-R-E, or sphere. So E is pronounced in such a different way. You can take the another example of the pronunciation of letter I. Letter I can be pronounced again differently. Sometimes letter I is pronounced as E. So this is E, as in bit, B-I-T, bit, bit, big, dig, dip, fill, ink, lid, nil. Here letter I is pronounced as E. Or sometimes the same letter can be pronounced as I. So this is I. For example, bike, bike, B-I-T, bite, or dice, ice, item, nice, or side. In here I is pronounced as I. Or sometimes letter I is pronounced as A. So this is A, as in bird, B-I-R-D. Here we never say beard. Okay, we never say beard. We pronounce bird. That means here I is pronounced as O. Or dirt, evil, first, girl, shirt. These are the examples where letter I is pronounced as O. Sometimes letter E is pronounced as E, as in marine, or quarantine. People usually say quarantine, but the correct pronunciation of the word is quarantine. Okay, here we have seen there are number of examples. Just like T can be pronounced as letter T can be pronounced as, sometimes pronounced as ch, ch. Ch, this is ch, IPS symbol ch. T, letter T stands for ch, as in actual, capture, culture, or fortune, lecture, ch, lecture. So spelling T, the pronunciation of spelling T is ch. But the same sometime it is pronounced as sh. This is sh. Now see, for example, nation, or portal, or cautious, cautious. Here t, cautious. T, it is not pronounced as cautious. Okay, t is pronounced as sure. So there are different ways how sir is pronounced. For example, sir is pronounced as sir, the, and sure. I would like to give you certain examples of it. For example, talks, talks. Now see the final yes letter. We pronounce is talks, sir. Okay, but in the word bags, 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 we never say bags. We pronounce it, the last s is pronounced as the. Or in the word sugar, sugar, here sir is pronounced as sure. Sir is pronounced as sure in sugar, sure, or mansion. So these are the different examples how the same letter is pronounced differently. Or sometimes ch, ch, letter ch is also pronounced differently. See the word chair, chair. We pronounce it in the word, this ch is pronounced as cho, cho, chair. But in chemistry, this here we never say cho. In the word chemistry, ch is pronounced as ko, ko, and not chemistry. It is chemistry. So here ch is pronounced as ko. But in the word machine, here ch is pronounced as sure. Machine, not machine or machin. It is pronounced as machine. In the word fool, f-double-o, in the another example, double o can be also pronounced differently, like fool, cool. Here we use oo. While sometime in door we say, if for example fool, here double o is used, oo. The pronunciation of double o is oo. But in d-double-o-r we pronounce is door, not dur. Okay, so this is very I say challenging work to learn English pronunciation. Now the last part, that is the third part, is about sometimes the different spelling, different letters, same pronunciation. In the second part, what we studied, letter is same, pronunciation is different. And now we are going to study that spelling is different and pronunciation is same. For example, in word end, here this letter E is pronounced as A, end. Okay, but in the word many, here you see letter A is pronounced as E. Here here E is pronounced as A. This is A. Okay, this is A. But in many we never say money. Money is different. Here A is pronounced as, letter A is pronounced as E. Here letter E is pronounced as A. But in the word head, here EA is pronounced as A. In the word friend, here IE, in the word friend, FRIEND, IE is pronounced as A. In the word leisure, LEISURE, here EI is pronounced as A. In the word leopard, LEOPARD, here EO is pronounced as A. While in the bury example, BURY, so here U is pronounced, letter U is pronounced as A. So how this challenging work is. And in the last part we say, that is how the silent sounds. This is also one of the important feature of British English or RP English, Received Pronunciation English, which is known as the Standard English. So number of words in English are unpronounced, or we usually say that is silent letters. For example, doubt, the spelling is DOUBT. So here B is silent. In the word receipt, RECIPT, we never say receipt. P, we never pronounce P, so P is silent. In thumb, THUMB, final B is silent. In the word half, HALF, here L is silent. In the word daughter, DAUGHTR, GH is silent. In the word island, the spelling is ISLAND, here letter I is silent. In the word guitar, GUITAR, here letter U is silent. In foreign, FOREIGN, G is silent. In enough, ENOUGH, OU is silent. In the match, MATCH, here T is silent. In the word would, WOULD, because L is not pronounced, so L is silent. L is silent. In word budget, BUDGET, D is silent. In the autumn, AUTUMN, this is the name of season, here N is silent. In the word honest, the spelling is HONEST, here H is silent. In listen, LISTEN, so here T is silent. In the word write, WRITE, W is silent. In psychology, PSY, PSYCHOLOGY, here you see how the word, the pronunciation is different and the spelling is different. Or in country, COUNTRY, OU is silent. So that is why I say that this is a great challenge for the non-native speaker to learn the English pronunciation. So, and that is why again there is a lot of examples whose spelling are difficult to remember. For example, QUEUE, QUEUE. Generally we say Q. There was a long Q. We usually write the spelling QUE. This is wrong spelling. QUEUE. This is the correct spelling. Or colonel, COLONER. Okay. Or battalion. Or you see the spelling of future, FUTURE. The pronunciation is not futare. Or nature, NATURE, not nature. Okay. So this is a great challenge for the non-native speaker to learn English pronunciation. Sometimes we make the mistakes to understand the correct pronunciation like TWO2, TO2 and TOO2. So, or roll, ROLE roll, ROLL roll. Okay. Or MALE male, MAIL male, MEAL mill, MILL mill. So, friends, if you want to learn English pronunciation, you'll have to study IPA symbols. Try to remember IPA symbols and try at least read 10 words daily in the dictionary. You must have your own dictionary, and nowadays there are number of we can say on your mobile there are number of apps even also available. So take help it and improve your speaking and try to learn the correct pronunciation. Use it in your daily life and improve your English. So here the part ends. Thank you.